Let's use a cat story to help you understand what ADHD is. Today, Banana Cat planned to do a small thing. Just write one line. Only one line. It sat down at the desk, opened its notebook, and looked full of confidence. It set a goal for itself. Just start. That's enough. Banana Cat wanted to get a pen. It took a few steps, then noticed the curtains by the window were a bit messy, so it stopped to straighten them. Seeing a corner of the sticker on the desk was peeling up, it used its paw to smooth it down. It even took a moment to rearrange the box of banana chip snacks on the table. When it finally stopped moving, it suddenly froze. Huh? What was I gonna do just now? It sat back down in its spot, and when it saw the notebook, it finally remembered. Oh, right. It got ready to keep going, but a thought popped into its head out of nowhere. If I drink some water first, I'll probably feel more energetic. So it got up again to pour water. Passing the kitchen, it saw the cup wasn't washed, so it washed the cup. While washing the cup, it noticed the sink was messy, so it tidied up the sink too. The water gurgled, and it stared at the bubbles for several seconds. Then it stopped, a little dazed. Now, is the water more important or writing? It carried the water back to the desk, stared at the blank paper, and its tail swept gently across the table, movements a little fidgety. Banana Cat felt a faint twinge of frustration in its heart. It wasn't that it didn't want to start, nor that it wasn't trying, but its brain always split starting into lots of little pieces, circling around before slowly inching closer to the goal. At that moment, another little cat walked over. It didn't rush Banana Cat, nor did blame it. It just stood gently by its side and said softly, "You were already trying." Banana Cat froze for a moment, looked at the other cat, then at the paper. The nervousness in its heart seemed to slowly ease up a little. Banana Cat didn't write a lot right away, but it quietly picked up the pen, thought for a moment, and gently wrote the first word in the notebook, "Hello." Maybe the pace is slow, maybe the path is a little winding, but it is moving forward. For ordinary cats, focusing on one thing is very easy. But for a cat with ADHD, wanting to do something seriously means overcoming many temptations. Temptations like taking a sip of water, glancing at a phone, or picking up a piece of trash. But please give it a little time. It will definitely finish what it wants to do perfectly.